In this video, we will introduce Dam Stop Leak Standard, what it treats and where you can use it. Dam Stop Leak Standard is designed to effectively seal leaks in clay and earth-based dams and ponds that have held water in the past. For best results, it is intended for use on natural earth surfaces rather than on liners made of concrete, tin, or plastic. It is safe for livestock and fish, is non-toxic and environmentally friendly. Unlike other products on the market, Dam Stop Leak Standard contains zero potassium, which avoids adding nutrients that fuel algae and helps keep water clearer. Dam Stop Leak Standard is designed to seal common leaks in earth-based dams. This product works best in natural-based dams and on all soil and clay types, including shale and rock that have held water before. It can be used for fast or slow leaks through the dam wall or base. Leaks caused by old tree roots rotting away, cracks in dry, shrinking clay, erosion of the dam floor or walls over time, leaks from yabbies, and water loss from pressure buildup. It is also commonly added to newly built dams to improve their ability to hold water. Without emptying the water body, Dam Stop Leak Standard can be applied directly to the water surface to create a permanent seal. The uniformity of polymers is drawn into cracks and holes under the weight of the water, expanding to seal leaks and gaps. Containing finer particles, Dam Stop Leak Standard provides consistency in its application. For the product to work effectively, the waterline should be above the cracks. If the cracks are above the waterline, the middle of the dam may require initial treatment, while the walls will require periodical treatment as the water rises. Sometimes the leaks can be identified by greener areas around the banks, areas void of vegetation, or the capillary action of water draining can be seen. This long-lasting product produces noticeable results in days, with faster leaks plugging faster, while slower leaks may take up to 21 days. Dam Stop Leak Standard is an effective solution for plugging in leaking dams. For more information on Dam Stop Leak Standard, check out our other videos on how much to use, how to apply, and what to expect after treatment. Or you can visit our website aquatictechnologies.com.au.